Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add interest tags on your Yubo profile. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. To customize your Yubo profile with interest tags, start by opening the Yubo app and heading to your profile. Tap on the Edit Profile option, which is a little pencil icon on the top of your profile picture. Then look for the Add Tags button, which is a yellow colored button. Here, you will see a list of different categories, such as music, gaming, sports, and more. Simply tap on the interests that match your personality and hobbies. Now you can add multiple tags, so choose the ones that best represent you and they will start showing up in your profile. Once you have selected your interests, just press back because these automatically save the changes. Now you can tap on the preview button on the top and see how your profile will look to other people. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.